Let's take a look at the chart action for Cardano. Alright, so here's what we've been looking at with Cardano. So we had a big up run like that, and then we started to do a downtrend, something like that. We had resistance right here and resistance right here. I'd been watching this downtrend, something like that, and I was saying until we broke that downtrend going to the upside, I was going to be slightly bearish and assume that we're trending down. I also drew the Fibonacci levels from the top to the bottom, or the bottom to the top should I say, and I was watching this 38% level and the 50% level. We got bounces on that 38% level, then we came down and got some bounces on that 50% level, and it looks like we're holding support on that 50% level right now. What I'm looking at right now is we have support right here, we have support right here, we have support right here. We also have resistance right here and resistance right here. I'm kind of just waiting for Cardano to start catching up with the rest of the coins, but we could draw a trend line, something like that, and I think if we could break this trend line going to the upside, we're going to see a move for Cardano, and maybe we could start off, we could target from the top to the bottom of this little triangle channel pattern, something like that. I think it's a triangle pattern, I guess you could say, because if we draw these out, it'll be a triangle. But what I'm doing is targeting from the top to the bottom of that triangle, dragging that to the breakout. If we could break to the upside, then maybe we'll be looking at a target of approximately 2.56, maybe something like that. So yeah, in general, what I would also be targeting are the previous resistance levels, maybe something like this at around 2.64, and then maybe around 2.95, something like that. So step one is break through this trend line right here at around 2.25. Then if we could break that, maybe come up to this target at around 2.56. Then when we hit that, if we can continue to do these steps, then maybe break through and hit maybe 2.63. If we could break through this resistance zone right here, then I'll be targeting around 2.97. If we could break through this zone, I'll be looking to break through this Fibonacci level, which the top is at around 3.10. Like I said, step 1 is right here, step 2 is right here, step 3, and then step 4 and step 5. Once we break all of those, then we'll be looking at higher highs and continuing to head up. I really want to see us break out of this Fibonacci box, but I do like the way we're holding support on this 50% level. Let me know what you guys think about Cardano. In my next video, we'll be checking out Uniswap. I'll kind of show you the patterns that I'm looking at and the levels that I'm watching on that chart. Alright, if you guys like this video though, hit that thumbs up button.